And before moving on to today's video, please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share it as much as you can. And please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'll mention my Instagram handle name somewhere on the screen. So without any further ado, let's move on to today's video. So as you have already read from the title, in today's video I'll be giving you guys some tips and tricks on how to take portraits at your own home during the self-quarantine. And the first one would be to figure out the backgrounds which you want to be in your picture. So it can be a green background where you have lots and lots of trees. It can be a certain background of whether it's a room or a window of yours, or it can be a background where you have lots and lots of flowers in it. So first, please figure out as to what background you want to be in your picture. So in these pictures, I have placed my tripod and everything, and I've placed it in such a way that only me and my background comes in the picture and nothing else. So the pictures turned out pretty well, and I obviously have edited few of the pictures and I've adjusted the exposure, brightness and contrast and everything. And the second picture is that I have used my windows and everything. I wanted the glass windows to be there in the background of it. And the second tip would be to use certain props in your picture. So the props which are available at our home, such as big flowers and books and coffee cups and everything, so we can obviously use them in a picture as a prop, as an element to jazz it up. So in these pictures I have used a book, so it obviously seems like I'm reading it, but obviously I am not. These are all fake candidates which I wanted to take, and the pictures turned out pretty well. And in some of the pictures I have used a coffee cup as well. So you can obviously take the coffee cup in your hand and pose, or you can place the coffee cup in such a way that it just gets along to be an element of your picture altogether. So the third would be to find a suitable location where you can defocus on something and focus on yourself. So I placed my camera in such a way that it is amidst all the leaves and everything. So, and then I'm standing at a further away position. So in order to make sure that you get the perfect focus on yourself, so you can obviously ask someone to stand in place of you, and you can take the pictures and move along whether it needs certain type of adjustment with the angle or the exposure or the focus or anything. And once you're sorted out with that, you can obviously move in back to your positions and take such pictures. So these pictures I have taken with my self-timer shots, and I obviously wanted the pictures where I am holding the coffee cup and everything, and the pictures turned out pretty well. So one pro tip is that you can, since you already know the locations where you'll be shooting and the colors which are there in the locations, so I chose a bright pink color dress so that it jazzes up my whole picture, and the pictures turned out pretty well. And in my other picture I wanted to accessorize, or I wanted to add an element of my phone in it. So it almost seems like, you know, someone is calling me and I'm trying to get it out, and then I'm talking and I'm smiling and everything. So it obviously makes the picture more natural than being fake and posing in front of the camera by looking in front of the camera. So yeah. So for the fourth tip, you obviously need someone in order to click the pictures for you. So in this tip, you place the camera, you place the tripod and everything, and there are two ways how you can shoot it. One is that taking a cloth which has various prints in it, various colors on it, so that when the sunlight strikes in, you get a lot of vibrant colors, and you place the cloth above your head, and the cloth goes along to the camera and to the person who will be taking your pictures, and you can move around, pose and do as much and be as much as creative you can. I have got such wonderful shots that I don't think that I would have got it while, you know, standalone picture, photo shoot and everything. These pictures turned out to be really good, and I cannot even explain, and I'm leaving it to you guys. Please comment down below what do you think of how the pictures turned out of the photo shoot ideas that I have shown you guys. And I would highly recommend you guys to try it along at your home. You can obviously try it around in your terrace, in any open space, in your balcony and anything. And I am eagerly waiting for you guys to post your pictures, and don't forget to tag me on my Instagram and comment and share. So the fourth tip is that since in my previous pictures I have chosen the green background more focusing on the green more, and in this one I wanted to focus more on the yellow and green. So this is another tip where you can use two different colors background in your picture. So in this picture, since I already knew that I will have yellow and green in my picture, so I wanted some other color. So I'm wearing a light blue shade shirt or a kurta maybe, and the pictures however are really good. Like, I cannot even complain about the pictures, and the pictures turned out really great. And in few of the pictures I had used the book as a prop, but most of the pictures I guess turned out pretty well without the prop. And one pro tip is that while you want your background to be containing of only the green background or yellow or red or grey or whatsoever, please make sure to keep the background as much as clean as possible, and don't try to put in like 5 or 6 or 3 elements in the background. That will automatically take away the focus from the person's eye and you would automatically lose the focus. So I wanted to make sure that at least 2 to 3 variants of backgrounds is okay for a picture, and then you can stand in front, but not more than 3. I would definitely suggest that. And the pictures here have turned out pretty well, and I'm super duper happy with the pictures. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope that all of you guys have enjoyed and find out the tips really useful. I'm waiting for you guys to try it out and make as much as of this quarantine and take self-portraits shots. And I'll be coming back more with such videos where I'll be giving you tips and tricks of taking self-portraits at your home and much more creative ideas where you can make use of your home, make use of your room and everything. So till then, stay safe, stay at home, and see you guys next time. Bye.